Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I'm just doing a quick little sort of redesign for the first Chimerion I ever made for myself. Since then I've had time to see what I like, and yeah, I just didn't really like how the mane was, and the head just felt kind of I don't know, it just felt weird, so I wanted to add ears and change the mane up, and thankfully I'm allowed to do that. Just gotta get the ear edition thing. But yeah, I like the design a lot better now. They're about to end well, they've already ended it, but you used to be able to make your own, just one design, so you could, participate, but the group's gotten so big now that that's not really super easy to keep up with for the admins and stuff. So yeah, I decided to design one for Blake and have him submit it, and now we can have matching icons again, just because I didn't really feel like having Latios icons. So yeah, now we can have some sort of matching characters, and I wanted to pair this one with the one I designed for him. So yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this little video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.